Hi, good learners. How are you? Welcome to LBF English Spoken Center in 1 or 2 minutes English practice. Today's word is beautiful. Now I'm going to tell some sentences by using beautiful. Nature is very beautiful. She sings a beautiful song. This is a beautiful flower. I have a beautiful house. You look very beautiful today. He has drawn a beautiful picture. A beautiful mind is true beauty. The sky looks extremely beautiful today. This story is very beautiful. They have visited a beautiful place. Speaking beautifully is a quality. This evening feels very beautiful. She gave her mother a beautiful gift. Think beautiful thoughts and you will have a beautiful life. The world is a beautiful place. Dear learners, now look at the all sentences with Bengali meaning and try to practice these sentences with Bengali meaning. After practicing these sentences, you put wonder instead of beautiful. এর মানে হলো তোমরা বিউটিফুল এর স্থানে ওয়ান্ডারফুল শব্দটি ব্যবহার করো এবং উপরের বাক্যগুলোকে 3 বার প্র্যাকটিস করো। Inshallah, your speaking skill will definitely increase. Don't forget to follow my Facebook page and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you all.